Hi, Mike with you. Swiss Army knives. We've got two here, both yard sale items. This I got an astounding deal on. I think it was like only $5. There isn't a model that compares directly with this, but it's a 5-layer tool. This one's more of just their standard 2-layer, which means it has the 2 blades, and then it also has the can opener, bottle opener, and can opener and bottle opener. They're both included in this tool. They don't have a Phillips in the screwdriver. That's interesting. Well, we got a Swiss Army knife. We actually have two. What we're going to do here, you can see how easily this blade comes out. Now this has 2 layers, I guess you would call it, 2 layers of tools. But when we go to this 5-layer tool, it's relatively difficult to get some of the smaller tools out, especially on the back side. Getting the awl out, oh, this is the little screwdriver. It's difficult to do. Here's the awl down here. So there was a trick, and I'll put the source below. You take out the toothpick, and you use the toothpick. You have the bump side towards the tool, you fit it in the little groove, and then you pull it out. And like I say, if you've got trouble with your hands and things like that, this is a really good use for the toothpick.